What's up, y'all? Back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a slime video. So I'm gonna be showing you my ingredients right now. Just right over here. So let's get to show y'all the ingredients. The first thing I got is napkin because it get all messed up. And a paper plate, and this spoon go like this. And we're gonna get a fork and nothing because that's wasting stuff. And I got lotion, the coconut lotion, body lotion, shaving cream, stuck it fluffy, and this container. But this was a strawberry ice cream container. I just decided to use this because, well, why would I throw stuff away? And Tide, of course, the activator, and the product. We already saw it, but yeah, this is like, I think this is Girl in the Dark. This is blue. It says the new, and yeah, it's pink and it's very cute. So first, let me add in the glue. First, let me get a piece of napkin so I can wipe the inside of it because it still got like chocolate in it. I mean ice cream. I love it. So we're gonna add in the glue. Kind of squish it out, but we can add in the glue. I should have did like, never mind. I just, what should I do? Yeah, my car already did the glue. I'm just gonna just open it because this is taking forever. Like the glue. Look very, oh my god, and you can even sit there for the light up. This look very cute. Y'all look, just look at this. Just look. It's already lighting up for you can see from this is light up slime. Like you can light it up. Oh my god, you can already see it from the side. You can see it better in person because this camera, I don't know what's wrong with this. Is it right here? Let me make sure I get all the glue out. Okay, so it should be all the glue. The glue is good. So next thing I'm gonna add in the lotion. Yeah. I don't know what to add in. 4 drops, so I added 4 drops. We're not gonna throw that down because this is the, you could even use this on legs. So now we're gonna stir it up. Let me show you. So the lotion in here, you're going to stir it up. So yeah. By the way, we are making slime. I'm adding steps by step. So yeah. So let's just get to it. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna be adding in the shaving cream to make the slime fluffy. 1, 2, 3. You don't want to add too much shaving cream because this will get like it will start to mess up your slime. A lot of shaving cream will start to mess up your slime, so I'm not gonna add too much shaving cream. I don't want to add too much shaving cream. Yeah. Let me add it inside. Get too much to stir it around. This should get enough time. Just stir it around. Oh look, I put the Tide in. I want it to be pink, but not that pink like that. Not as much as pink. It's gonna be starting to get pink, kind of, because this color is just a light color. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. That should be enough. A little bit more of this soup. Ooh, it started to form me. Gotta still mix it up. Oh my gosh, I gotta take it out, yeah. It's already formed. So I'm gonna pick it up. It's just like, it's just, oh my god, it's still sticky, y'all. I can even feel it that it's still sticky. So, I'm gonna shake it because it's still sticky. A little bit more. I don't know what supposed to add. To be honest, I know that shaving cream make it. I'm gonna pick it up. Play with it. Ooh, it started to form. Dang. So it's not pink, it's like a purple kind of color. So let's turn out the lights. Let me get all this stuff out first before I turn out the lights so y'all can see how the color is. And the lights turned off. This is like a purple. It's purple, y'all. It turned out purple instead of pink. Well, yeah. Let's see in the light. It's purple. Y'all probably can't see it but like that, but it's purple. Let's see the lights. Y'all probably can't see it. I don't think this is the glow in the dark one. Okay, this is the package, the slime thing. So let me see if this is the girl in the dark. Washable. Oh no, it's not. It's not glow in the dark. I thought it was, but it's not. But yeah, guess it's not glow in the dark. I'm gonna make sure I take all the slime out of here. Yeah. Okay, so y'all, we going to fix the thing. I take this stuff out of the, like the package. And yeah. Stay tuned.